Okay. Okay, guys, I welcome you all in this course, Experimental Analysis of Mechanical Engineering System. Today, we will discuss about this course and what is this course, what we are going to study in the summer school. Okay, let me ask you something. Please, when you join this online lecture, on the chat box, write your name, surname, and student number. It's mean you don't miss any lecture. So I will get this information who has attend online. I will get this information who has attend online. I will get the same number and student number to add into my files for your attendance. Please, that is the I'm repeating again. When you join, write it on the chat box. Your student number, name, and surname. And the criteria of this course, it's depend on the students. We will decide it evaluation of this course in the coming lecture, but we have to present today this lecture. We will cover it. We will try to cover these topics in the summer school. The summer school is very short. And the one more thing I request you, all of you, if you are registered in Zoom account, please go and registered for the Einstein account. If you don't registered in Einstein account, I cannot announce your grade on the Einstein account. Okay, I hope you understand. Now let's move on to this lecture.
Sir, I have a question. Can you explain the grading system for the course?
Excuse me?
The grading system. I mean, what's the percentage for the mid-final? Are we having the homeworks, assignments, or what?
Okay, let me explain you again.
Yeah.
I already explained this one. Okay, but don't worry. Assessment of this course or grading of this course, evaluation of this course, we will discuss in the coming lecture. Until now, just I am checking the student number. There is a few student registered in Einstein account. Is it clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're
Doctor, I
welcome.
think about the payments. Maybe that's why there are not too many students are registered in Einstein.
Okay, but you know what? You have to fix this problem at the end.
Okay, no problem.
Yes, sir. They're giving us time till 28th of August.
Try to solve it if you have any kind of payment problem. I mean, I don't know this one how to fix it, but you need to fix it. How you will fix it? You know better than us.
Yeah.
Our course is experimental analysis of mechanical engineering system. In this course, we will try to cover in the summer school what we can do it, because this is the short period for the summer school. That is the this picture you can see measuring instrument. In the coming lecture I will try to explain it another thing using the same material. Okay, this picture is showing which kind of measuring instrument we are using in the mechanical engineering. That kind of stuff they are using. Okay, now let me go. For example, there is a Vernier. Yes, Vernier in the mechanical department. Which kind of they are using measuring instrument? Number one, Vernier Caliper. Vernier caliper is a widely used linear measurement instrument with a least count of 0.02 millimeter. It is used to measure linear dimension like length, diameter, and the depth. It is basic instrument of measurement, and this is consist of two types of scale. You can see in the figure the main scale and the vernier scale that can slide along the main scale. Two type of measurement we can do. The first one is external, through the external, and the second one is we are measuring internal dimension. That is the definition how we are using. I will show in the coming video. Please see, that is the very nice video.
So first is the introduction, and next is the types of vernier caliper, and the third is how to measure with the vernier caliper, and the fourth is the store of vernier caliper. So let's start off with the introduction of it. Vernier caliper is widely used linear measurement instrument with a least count of 0.02 mm. It is used to measure linear dimensions like length, diameter, and depth. It consists of two types of scales, the mean scale and the vernier scale. So next we have the main parts of the vernier caliper, where we have two scales. They are the main scale and the vernier scale, and two jaws, the internal and the external jaw. And now let's see how to measure with the vernier caliper. So here we have two steps, and the first one is the main scale reading. See the main scale reading just before zero of the vernier scale, like 8 mm. And in the next step, now observe the vernier scale, such like which gradually look exactly made with the main scale. In a simple terminology, check which line of the main scale and the vernier scale meet or align. Let's try to see 0.35 mm of the vernier scale. So your actual measurement is 8 mm of the main scale reading and 0.35 mm of the vernier scale reading. So it is totally of 8.35 mm. And now let's have a look at types of vernier caliper. So here we are discussing about the three types of vernier caliper. The first one is the analog vernier, and the next one is the dial vernier caliper, and the third one is the digital vernier caliper.
Okay. Now is the second one is micrometer. Where we are using micrometer? External micrometer is also known as outside micrometer or external micrometer. It is used to check outside diameter of circle by mean of accuracy of 0.01 millimeter or up to 0.001 millimeter. As you can see this micrometer in the figure, Vernier type micrometer gives highest acceptable accuracy of 1 micron. Such gauge is Vernier type micrometer. And the same application as we study in the previous one, in the first one, Vernier, the same thing we will see the same application and the usage in this next video. Please see this one.
Is divided into 4 parts. So the first one is what is micrometer, and the second is how to measure with it, and the third is the specifications of micrometer, and the fourth one is the best value of using it. So let's start off with the micrometer. External micrometer is also known as outside micrometer, and it is used to check outside diameter of circle by means of accuracy of 0.01 mm or up to 0.001 mm. Vernier type micrometer gives highest acceptable accuracy of 1 micron. Such gauge is Vernier type micrometer. And here are the main parts of micrometer, where we have the main scale reading and thumb scale reading. So the main scale reading is from 0 to 25 mm, whereas the thumb scale reading is from 0.00 to 0.50 mm. We have 2 types of micrometers, the external micrometer and the digital micrometer. This external micrometer is of analog type, and we have the least count of 0.01 mm with an accuracy of about plus or minus 0.01 mm. Whereas in the digital type, we have the least count of 0.001 mm and the accuracy is about plus or minus 0.001. So this is all about the introduction of micrometer, and now let's see how to use micrometer. Here are the 3 main steps of how to calculate the reading of micrometer. In step 1, we'll be calculating the main scale reading and the bottom scale reading, and in the next step, we'll be combining it with the thumb scale reading. So according to the above figure, the last unit of main scale is 8 mm. Bottom scale has a span of 0.50 mm. If we see this graduation, we have to be added 0.50 mm to the actual reading. Second scale is rotational scale with a number of 0 to 50. Each number show digit after dot point. For instance, 0.46 mm appear at matching line. So our total reading is 8.96 mm. So this is how we'll be using the micrometer. And next is the specifications of it. The accuracy of external micrometer is 0.01 mm, which is acceptable, accurate and precise. Digital and external micrometer both follow national or international measurement standard by means of its unit is mm or inches. The cost of digital micrometer is little bit higher than external type. If we think cost related to accuracy, then that is fair enough. Cost may vary from brands to brands, usually depend upon quality of material and technology used. You can choose digital micrometer with an accuracy up to 0.001 mm if cost does not matter. And now let's find out the best value for the micrometer. Some most famous brands which are known for their quality promise available in a market like Mitutoyo, Baker, etc. Micrometer, widely used in industries, labs, marketplaces to check external diameter because of its high accuracy and precision. In case of larger size, there is a wide range of micrometer available with a span of 25 mm for greater accuracy and handling purpose. You may find
Okay, let's go. I think it's finished. The next lecture. Okay, now here is a we study Vernier caliper in the previous slide and micrometer. Here we will see the difference between micrometer and the Vernier caliper. Okay, let's see the what is the difference between both devices. Let's see, the first point is usually micrometer is more accurate and precious than Vernier caliper. Micrometer is the more precious as compared to Vernier caliper. Let's come to the second point. Measurement range of micrometer is 25 millimeter, while on the other hand, Vernier caliper has wide range as compared to micrometer. Micrometer measured range is 25 millimeter and the Vernier caliper he has wide range. And point 3, you can check depth by Vernier caliper, but in case of micrometer you have to use depth micrometer. Inside micrometer is used for measurement for of inner diameter, but in case of Vernier caliper it is checked by internal jaw. It's mean internal side. In the coming video I will try to explain it what is the difference in micrometer and the Vernier caliper. Please see this video.
About the differences between Vernier caliper and micrometer. Vernier caliper and micrometer both are widely used in industries for daily quality control. Both are simple to use and easy for measurement. Vernier caliper and micrometer are available in digital form, which means we can process more accuracy and precise measurement. Before we go for differences, let's take a look at the basic introduction of Vernier caliper and micrometer. Vernier caliper is a widely used linear measurement instrument. It is used to measure linear dimensions like length, diameter, depth. There are 3 types of Vernier calipers: analog Vernier caliper, dial Vernier caliper, and digital Vernier caliper. The analog Vernier caliper is the most common instrument of measurement. It consists of 2 types of scales, the main scale and the vernier scale, that can slide along the main scale. The measurement can be carried out in 2 ways. The first way is through the external jaw, which measures external dimensions, and another one is through internal jaw, which measures internal dimensions. The most common least count of analog Vernier caliper is 0.02 mm. You may also find Vernier least count of 0.05 mm or 0.1 mm. Now coming to the dial Vernier caliper, wherein vernier scale is replaced by dial indicator in dial Vernier caliper. Dial indicator is helpful for easy understanding of measurement. Least count of dial Vernier caliper is the same as analog type. Next is the digital Vernier caliper, which is the upgraded version of analog Vernier caliper and is a widely used linear measurement instrument with the least count of 0.01 mm, more accurate than analog. Now let's take a look at micrometer. The micrometer is more precise and accurate than Vernier caliper. There are 2 types of micrometers. Number 1 is the external micrometer and number 2 is the digital micrometer. The external micrometer is also known as outside micrometer. It is used to check outside diameter of the shaft by the means of accuracy of 0.01 mm or up to 0.001 mm. The next one is the digital micrometer, which is a very popular instrument these days because of its ease of compactness of taking an observation. Digital micrometer can observe measurement in mm or inch, depending on our needs. The accuracy of digital micrometer is 0.001 mm, which is highly accurate and precise than external micrometer. You can choose digital micrometer with an accuracy up to 0.001 mm if the cost does not matter. The main differences between vernier caliper and micrometer are as follows. Usually, micrometer is more accurate and precise than vernier caliper. Measurement range of micrometer is 25 mm, while vernier caliper has a wide range. You can check depth of vernier caliper, but in case of micrometer, you have to use a depth micrometer. Inside micrometer is used for measurement of inner diameter, but in case of vernier caliper, it is checked by an internal jaw.
Okay. In this part, okay, there is a references as well. You can check it. I will attach this PPT file on the Zoom account. You can download it, and I will upload the video on the Zoom account. Today we discuss vernier caliper and the micrometer, its uses, application, and the differences between vernier caliper and micrometer. So in the coming lecture, we will decide it how many students and what is the criteria, what is the assessment, what is the grading system. In the coming videos, in the coming lecture, we will decide it together. But right now there is a small students. I cannot say to anything right now. So that is the over topics today shortly. In the coming we will do properly. So that kind of measurement instrument we are using, that is the own lecture notes, but not the ones we are getting from the internet, but there is no specific book for this course. So we are creating to make this course for the mechanical engineering student as this requirement in our department. Until now, do you have any question? If you have, please let me know. After your question period, we will dismiss our lecture. Please, if you have anything in your mind, you can ask me. You can go one by one. Murad, Ahmed, Fahad, Hassan.
Yes, doctor.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes.
Is there any question?
No, sir, we will be waiting for the next.
No, sir.
No, doctor. Thank you.
Okay, if you don't have any question, the lecture is dismissed. I will attach this video or this link. You can see again PPT file, presentation file, and the video I have recorded.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, the one more thing I'm repeating. Please write in the chat box your name, surname, and student number. It's mean you don't miss your lecture. I will take this information from there.
We wrote it already, sir.
Okay, if why I'm repeating this one, because if there's some guys I saw they came, they knew, maybe then they don't know. So that's why I'm repeating. Okay, the one more thing is you go and registered your Einstein, but the some student is registered in Uzum account, but they haven't registered in Einstein account. Please go and register. That's it. The lecture is over.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. Goodbye.